In this video, I'm going to show you how to log on to your BearPulse account. So open your internet browser and type in mercer.givepulse.com. And this will bring you to the BearPulse main page. Now remember, BearPulse is branded especially for the Mercer network, but it's part of the broader GivePulse platform. So you may hear me say BearPulse and GivePulse interchangeably. When I say BearPulse, I'm talking specifically about the Mercer network within the GivePulse system. Once you get to this page, you'll locate the login button in the top right corner, and you'll be prompted to enter your login information. If this is your first time logging in, you'll need to claim your account. So basically that just means you'll click the login via Mercer button, and you'll be asked to enter your Mercer credentials. Now this is a single sign-on system, which means that it links with our Mercer login information that we use for other sites as well, such as Canvas or My Mercer. So I happen to have my login saved, so it automatically brings me in. You may need to type your information in. It just depends on your preferences.